Hi, so in this video, I'm going to use the asset application to create a piece of equipment and enter some basic details so you understand the process how we manage an asset in Maximo. So now let's go back to our application. In order to access the system, we use the IBM Maximo preview site. Okay, so now in order to create a new asset, then we're going to open the asset application. Okay, so now let's go back to our slide here. So I have prepared a small image so we can easily understand the concept. So let's pretend that we have a vehicle here and we need to manage it in Maximo as long as all of its component like an engine, like the wheels, and a list of spare parts that we can use to provide maintenance work, provide inventory for our maintenance work, and also we have some small maintenance plans for the equipment. So first of all, we will create our asset record for our vehicle. So let's go back to Maximo. I'm gonna click here on this button to create a new record. I'm gonna call it, let's say, truck. Okay. And I'm gonna choose the type here, production, which is a production asset. Yep, I think that's it. And then I'm gonna save it. Now I'm going to create another record for our components. The first component is an engine for the truck. So I'm going to create a new one. I'm gonna Yep, so in this case, I'm gonna specify the parent asset of this engine is the asset number of our the truck that we just defined. And now I'm going to create 4 more asset to record 4 wheels. So in this case, we got a similar asset, so I'm gonna duplicate it by clicking on duplicate asset here. And I'm gonna enter a new asset number. I'm gonna set the same parent as well. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, so now if we open our original asset, the truck, we can click on this button and choose move to asset here. And if we click on the spare parts tab, then we can see the sub-assembly, which is the component of this asset, is this asset. So we know that with this asset we have these components. And if we click on the open drill down, we can see the hierarchical structure of this asset as well. And now Let's continue by creating these spare parts and associate those with our asset.